Yes, the Jamaican government sell off for birthright mums. Now where yourself, me not late to the party mums, and I thank you for your participation. The point of the last video when we did talk about China buying with Kingston Port. No founder tell me say it's just a lease. Me make una understand something. No foreign country or entity should be leasing any resources in a Jamaica because them can always renew the lease and then Jamaicans don't receive no benefit. No Jamaican citizen, whether they are abroad or they are yard, is receiving any benefit from all of them lease here where them are give to foreign entities and foreign countries. China will not allow Jamaica to come over there and use them port and make sure that only Jamaicans gain all of the monetary benefit. That not gonna happen. Jamaicans, I want to not forget in the mentality of Abraham Traore and what them a do over the son of Burkina Faso. You see what I say? Jamaica, this is the time for we for Lego complete colonialism. We have the manpower and we have all of the resources. We can easily export all of the things and we are import. We fear move exactly like the President Abraham Traore and Burkina Faso. We for nationalize all of the resources them and make it so that every Jamaican citizen can receive monetary percentages off of the sales and off of the money that we make from nationalized resources. We don't have to move and think like this. We not talk about say, 2015, a long time this a go on. Yes, you're right. Long time it a go on, and me not see nobody a do nothing about it. When the ones and ones like we were present real solutions we wanna can't do, we want to forget into the mentality of being active. Yeah, being active and being more proactive and come out of this depression that not now going in a Jamaica. We have to make things go on in a Jamaica. Big up on yourself and I love you always.